Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear student. Today we will listen a interesting story, The Egg. Look, listen and read. Baby parrot live in a nest with mummy and a big white egg,
I am going to find some food.
said mummy one day.
You must look after the egg until I return.
Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. She moved it around to make sure it was comfortable. She wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm.
I am very good at looking after eggs.
प्यारे बच्चों, ये स्टोरी है एक पैरोट और उसके छोटे से बच्चे की जो नेस्ट में रहते हैं। यानी घोंसला, नेस्ट यानी घोंसला, घोंसले में रहते हैं। उनके साथ में एक अंडा भी होता है पैरोट का। एक दिन पैरोट की मम्मी उसे ये कह के कि मैं खाने की तलाश में जा रही हूँ, तुम इस अंडे का ख्याल रखना। अब बेबी पैरोट जो होता है वो अंडे के गोल घूम कर देखता है कि अंडा बिल्कुल सेफ है या नहीं। Just then she heard the monkeys playing in the trees. Baby parrot tried to call like a monkey too. She peered over the edge of the nest and laughed at their games. Suddenly, baby parrot remembered the egg. She looked around and glimpsed it was broken. Mummy would be angry, but when Mummy returned, she wasn't angry at all.
Don't worry, Mummy said as a little parrot popped out of the broken eggshell. The egg has hatched while I was away. Now you will get a new baby sister